Do you like snow?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love it.
What did you buy?
I bought some fruits.
What did you buy?
I bought some fruits.
May I put it here?
Sure, put it here.
May I put it here?
Sure, put it here.
What is it?
It is a chicken.
What is it?
It is a chicken.
Is she your sister?
Yes, she is my sister.
Is she your sister?
Yes, she is my sister.
Where are you?
I am in the shopping mall.
Where are you?
I am in the shopping mall.
Who is she?
She's my grandma.
Who is she?
She's my grandma.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
What now?
Let's bake cookies.
What now?
Let's bake cookies.
Who is she?
She's my best friend.
Who is she?
She's my best friend.
Do you have any pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have any pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What happened?
I am sick.
What happened?
I am sick.
What is your profession?
I am artist.
What is your profession?
I am artist.
What's your favorite food?
I love noodles.
What's your favorite food?
I love noodles.
Can you swim?
I am not sure.
Can you swim?
I am not sure.
Where's my key?
On the table.
Where's my key?
On the table.
Can I get the bill?
Yes, take this.
Can I get the bill?
Yes, take this.
What to do?
Let's play chess.
What to do?
Let's play chess.
Who is dancing?
Alex is dancing.
Who is dancing?
Alex is dancing.
Are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid.
Are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid.
Is he well?
Yes, absolutely.
Is he well?
Yes, absolutely.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Can you drive?
No, I'm still young.
Can you drive?
No, I'm still young.
Who am I?
You are my teacher.
Who am I?
You are my teacher.
What is it?
It is salad.
What is it?
It is salad.
Who is this?
She is my favorite cousin.
Who is this?
She is my favorite cousin.
How is it?
It's very delicious.
How is it?
It's very delicious.
Why him?
Because he is kind.
Why him?
Because he is kind.
Where are you going?
I'm going to store.
Where are you going?
I'm going to store.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Is it far from here?
Yes, it is very far.
Is it far from here?
Yes, it is very far.
Is it Japanese food?
No, it's Chinese food.
Is it Japanese food?
No, it's Chinese food.
Whose friend is he?
He's my friend.
Whose friend is he?
He's my friend.
Where is your room?
My room is on the right.
Where is your room?
My room is on the right.
When will you arrive?
I'll arrive at 10 p.m.
When will you arrive?
I'll arrive at 10 p.m.
What time is it?
It's 6 o'clock a.m.
What time is it?
It's 6 o'clock a.m.
Are you coming with us?
Sorry, I have work.
Are you coming with us?
Sorry, I have work.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Nicole.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Nicole.
Whom should I contact?
You should contact Lisa.
Whom should I contact?
You should contact Lisa.
Will you attend the meeting?
Yes, I will.
Will you attend the meeting?
Yes, I will.
Do you need anything?
No, everything is good.
Do you need anything?
No, everything is good.
When is the event?
It's tomorrow.
When is the event?
It's tomorrow.
Are you coming with us?
Yes, I am.
Are you coming with us?
Yes, I am.
Who is your favorite author?
William Shakespeare.
Who is your favorite author?
William Shakespeare.
Whom did you invite?
I invited Lisa.
Whom did you invite?
I invited Lisa.
Shall we go now?
Yes, let's go.
Shall we go now?
Yes, let's go.
Is this your book?
No, it's not mine.
Is this your book?
No, it's not mine.
Am I late?
No, you are on time.
Am I late?
No, you are on time.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is.
Am I in the right place?
Yes, you are.
Am I in the right place?
Yes, you are.
How was your trip?
It was right.
How was your trip?
It was right.
Will you join us for dinner?
Yes, why not?
Will you join us for dinner?
Yes, why not?
Do you live nearby?
No, live a little far.
Do you live nearby?
No, live a little far.
When did you arrive?
I arrived an hour ago.
When did you arrive?
I arrived an hour ago.
What are you doing?
I am boiling pasta.
What are you doing?
I am boiling pasta.
Are you ready?
Almost ready.
Are you ready?
Almost ready.
Who is your teacher?
Mr. Smith is my teacher.
Who is your teacher?
Mr. Smith is my teacher.
Whom did you call?
I called my mom.
Whom did you call?
I called my mom.
Shall we take a break? Yes, I am tired. Shall we take a break?
Yes, I am tired.
Am I disturbing you?
No, not at all.
Am I disturbing you?
No, not at all.
Will it rain today?
I think so.
Will it rain today?
I think so.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in August.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in August.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.